Associate Professor Sarah Hamilton is a geographer.
Part of geography is understanding how different elements come together in different regions of the world.
That means her boat comes in very handy. Associate Professor Hamilton has been working closely with scientists from Indonesia's Hasanuddin University to study two groups of islands. One is known as the Spumond Archipelago offshore from Makassar. The other can be found along the northern Great Barrier Reef.
Cyclones are a major part of the story for low islands on the Great Barrier Reef, but they don't happen in Indonesia. And likewise, people live on the islands in Indonesia, but they don't live on the islands of the Great Barrier Reef.
And that was something that shocked her Indonesian counterparts.
They were absolutely floored when they got off the boat and realised, there's nobody living on these islands. Where is everybody?
There are other differences between the island groups too, especially how mangroves impact land formations. Understanding those differences give us a more complete picture of the impacts of climate change. Working collaboratively with Indonesian colleagues, they mapped the islands from above before comparing that data with historic maps to see how they've shifted over time. And the Indonesians were able to show Associate Professor Hamilton and her colleagues how island life was changing for local populations.
When you go to a new place, there's a new story to be uncovered. Through them, we were really able to see the implications of climate change for small, low-lying islands through a completely different lens.
Our region's geographic story is still being written. Collaboration will be critical to understanding how to protect our evolving landscape.